Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me homeopathic remedy Aloes socotrina. Its common name is Helvig. This is part 1 general overview series and the text is referred from Allen's keynote with additions from Clark and Borick as well as K.N. Mathur. This text is best for BHMS students who are pursuing their studies in 2nd, 3rd and 4th BHMS. So let us go ahead. The remedy profile is, it is a small remedy, excellent where drug and disease symptoms are mixed up. The kingdom is plant kingdom and the natural order is Liliaceae. Habitat. This plant is found on the shores of Indian Ocean and islands of Socotra. Preparation. The mother tincture is prepared from the dissipated juice from the leaves of the plant. The remedy was proved by Dr. Helbig of Germany in 1838. Affinity. The organ tissue affinity is nervous system, liver, intestines and portal system. It works on mucous membrane of throat, rectum as well as anal sphincter. The lateral affinity of the remedy is, it is having left side to right side the complaints go from. Thermal affinity is, it is a hot remedy. The constitution. Somatic pre-dilatation is old people, especially female of relaxed phlegmatic habit. Indolence, weary persons, averse to either mental or physical labor. Psychic preponderance is the patient is irritable and dissatisfied and angry about himself. The causation. The diathesis is for congestion which involves the head, throat, pelvic viscera, rectum leading to bleeding piles and loss of tone into the sphincter ani muscle. The causation. The ailments from old beer drinkers, diarrhea from beer, sedentary habits, overdrugging where disease and drug symptoms are mixed up. The characteristics of this remedy include mucus is just like jelly-like lumps from throat or rectum. Hemorrhoids, they appear to be blue like bunch of grapes. They bleed, sore and tender hot. Itching, burning in anus. Diarrhea, has to hurry to closet immediately after eating or drinking. Flatus is offensive, burning, copious, much flatus with small stool. Solid stool and masses of mucus pras involuntarily. There is a want of confidence in the sphincter ani when passing flatus, sensation as if stool would pass with it. Headache alternating with lumbago, extreme prostration with perspiration. Itch appears every year as winter approaches and diarrhea from beer. There is a colic, cutting, gripping pain in right lower abdomen which is excruciating before and during stool but better soon after motion. The relationship. Like sulfur in many chronic diseases with abdominal plethora and congestion of portal circulation develops suppressed eruptions similar to Arnica montana, Gambosia, Nux and Podophyllum. Relationship, it is complementary to sulfur as given in Borick and K.N. Mathur. It antidotes opium and sulfur according to Borick and camphor, opium, Nux vomica, sulfur as we find in Gibson-Miller relationship table given in Borick. The general aggravation is early morning, summer, heat, hot, dry weather, after eating or drinking, standing or walking. The amelioration is from cold water, cold weather, cold open air, discharge of flatus and stool. The miasmatic orientation of this remedy is we'll use markers. Congestion is a psychotic marker. Overdrugging points to suppression and over drug disease state. Bad effects of sedentary habit points to lifestyle that excites and activates the latent predominant miasm. Our impression about aloes is that it represents predominant psychotic miasm. The posology. The doses 6 potency and higher according to Burick. In rectal conditions, a few doses of third and then wait according to Burick. Repetition. It may be repeated in acute conditions frequently. Dr. J.H. Clark recommends 2 hourly repetition of aloes, 3 in dysentery in his prescriber. Duration of action is 30 to 40 days. The clinical. It is best suited to the patient having itch appears each year as winter approaches. Clinically, it points to senile pruritus, headache, diarrhea, colic, obstinate constipation, hemorrhoids. Thank you very much for patient listening.